Hey everyone, I've got a brand new feature that I think you're going to like. You can now compare different items inside your widget and add them to a comparison table. So as you can see down here, we've got this little compare button, so I can add a few items in there. And as I'm adding them, you've seen this bit down here, which is this pill that it lets you know how many items that you are looking to compare. If I click on this, it pulls up a comparison table of each of those items or products that I would like to compare. And I can actually customize the different kinds of fields that appear in this. So you can show more fields than you're actually showing in your items list. And you can show buttons like the buy now, or even adding to cart. So users can even transact right from the screen. This is also mobile responsive too. It can even actually remove different items, and you can also click on an item to be taken to its details page. This is a fantastic way to get more out of your products and help your customers actually make better decisions. Immediately, we have a few settings that you can adjust and change. First one is the max items that a user compare. Then the fields that actually your user will be reading and comparing against. So if you click into here, you can either choose add a field and then use any of the field types you already support, or you can just copy the fields directly from one of your pages, either your list page or your details page. So I'm going to copy the details page across. This saves me a bunch of time. And I'm also going to add an image as well. Cool. And down here, I'm also going to add some buttons. So I'm going to copy these buttons in from my list page. I want to bring my buy now and my add to cart buttons. We now need to add a compare button. So the way you do this is you head back to your content and you go to your buttons, add a button, and you'll now have a new button option called compare. You can also add this to the details page as well. So let's just add this. This button has been added. And so that when I'm testing it, as I can see, the pill is appearing. I can click on the pill and I can see how my details are going to look. So that's how simple it is, and it's already set up and ready to go. I'm super excited to hear how everyone finds it. Jump on in and let me know.